Whether you're a large corporation fighting for market share year after year, or a new startup seeking to break into a competitive industry, the odds of success are low. Competition for consumers, operational expenditures, and inflation are relentless in a firm, making it imperative that both the top and bottom lines improve. Businesses that stop developing and growing eventually fail. To keep its stock price, credit rating, and capacity to borrow money, a public trading firm has to keep investors and money managers interested in it. The business world is a high-stakes game of survival, with investors glued to every earnings report. The majority of today's Fortune 500 companies were previously much smaller operations. Working at this scale takes a lot of work. According to a recent report, 20% of new enterprises fail in the first year, 30% in the second, and 50% within the fifth. So it's better to invest in something with a relatively low failure rate and maximum success rate. Don't know which one to invest in? We got you covered. Here we have a list of 6 businesses which has a very low failure rate, so be sure to stay with us till the end. At number 1 we have real estate. The majority of billionaires, about 90%, made their fortunes in the housing market. An 85.3% success rate may be expected from a firm that deals with rental properties. Throughout the course of American history, real estate has generated more wealth than all other forms of industrial investment put together. Businesses in the real estate industry rely on assets with inherent worth and a minimum price floor in order to function. What makes real estate a fantastic industry to work in? Well, the monthly income flow is great. Renters may help you reduce your mortgage payments, and as an added bonus, properties usually increase in value over time. When you add the ability to leverage financial resources by borrowing money to invest in rental properties, you have a potent tool for amassing great wealth. Along with this, by employing a property manager, your rental company may also be set up to produce passive revenue. At number 2 we have self-storage. Self-storage has been very popular over the years and deserves its meteoric rise in prominence. It has a minimal risk of bankruptcy and provides reliable earnings. The storage unit business was established to meet customer demand. People are constantly on the lookout for safe and convenient places to store their belongings, whether they're cleaning houses or relocating to a smaller residence. The high demand for self-storage services is one of the main reasons why this industry has such a low failure rate. Demand for self-storage facilities is strong and consistent, and is immune to economic fluctuations. No matter what is the state of the economy, the requirement for storage space will always be there. Self-storage is a worthwhile venture because of its cheap overhead expenses. As a result, there is a better chance of making a profit and a better return on investment. Self-storage facilities also provide a wide range of services that may be tailored to the specific requirements of individual renters. There is a wide variety of storage facilities available, including climate-controlled spaces and parking for recreational vehicles and boats. The total success percentage for self-storage facilities is 92%. Around 50,000 self-storage facilities have sprung up in the United States. Software, online contracts, automatic bill payment, security cameras, and alarms have made it possible for many organizations to function without any human workers at all. Self-storage facilities might be a good choice for those interested in real estate investment, but would rather avoid tenant screening, garbage collection, and bathroom upkeep. At number 3 we have trucking. Long-distance trucking companies deliver items across the nation, while local delivery services are responsible for the last kilometers of a shipment's journey. Success rates for transportation firms are about 76%. Apart from purchasing or renting suitable vehicles, transportation businesses need very little initial investment. E-commerce, the gig economy, and many other internet platforms have made it less difficult than ever before to launch a transportation company. What basically is a transportation company? A transportation company is one that transports items or persons for a charge from one location to another. There is a wide range of possibilities when it comes to the transportation industry, from operating an interstate trucking fleet to doing weekend delivery for Uber. Although certain modes of transportation will naturally carry greater danger than others, The industry as a whole has a good probability of success. At number 4, we have vending machines. The vending machine industry is an intriguing business concept since it can be launched with little initial investment and expanded to any size. There is a wide range of products available for sale. Even if the markups and profit margins are high, the firm is only worthwhile if it can consistently produce a high number of sales. It's the same as owning a large portfolio of smaller dividend stocks. Startup costs for a vending machine company include inventory, transportation costs, and labor costs. The finest high-traffic firms lease prime premises, so you'll have to pay to join them. If you can identify companies that will allow you to install vending machines in places where they are required for free, such as break rooms, you may establish your own vending route with free sites. It's a safe bet for anyone looking to test the business waters. An estimated 82% of enterprises using vending machines are successful. Along with this, they are very low maintenance, making this a stress-free and easy venture. As a business model, vending machines have a low risk of failure and may provide a constant flow of cash with no effort on your part. At number 5, we have laundromats. There is a 94.8% chance that a laundromat will still be operating after 5 years. Laundry services are often cash-flowing and recession-proof enterprises since consumers will always need to wash their clothing. In most circumstances, laundromats may operate without hiring personnel and generate revenue around the clock. If you want to generate money no matter what the economy is doing, this is a terrific option. Clothes washing and drying are now completely automated by machines, and your customers do the work of loading and unloading the clothes themselves. Of course, you'll still need to pay staff to clean the laundry machines, fix the machines when they break, and collect the money from the machines, which is the exciting part. At number 6, we have senior care centers, healthcare, providing essential medical treatment to the aging population. Senior care facilities have a low failure rate, but a high success rate. The need for healthcare services adapted to the requirements of the elderly has been on the rise in recent years. The number of people aged 65 and over continues to rise, and these patients have unique needs that aren't being met by most hospitals. Care facilities for the elderly provide not only medical assistance but also social activities and psychological counseling. Along with this, these facilities often include long-term care services, which are crucial for elders who need constant medical monitoring. As a result, seniors may rest certain that they will get the treatment they need without having to chase after new healthcare professionals with each new illness. It's also worth noting that income from elder care institutions is consistent and reliable. Their income is more secure since it comes mostly from government and insurance programs. Staff members' knowledge and commitment also play a role in the success of elder care facilities. Nurses, physicians, social workers, and therapists are all on staff in senior care facilities because of their expertise in caring for the elderly. In general, elder care facilities are a safe investment that may provide a steady income for decades. That's all for today, guys. If you liked this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for any new updates. See you in the next one.